It is rare to hear an explanation to an art in progress. The purpose of these videos is to show you close-up analysis as aesthetic decisions are being made. This work is a lot like a child prodigy in life. You can see what he possesses, what character he has, and what he can do. The moment I made the lines and found the figure, every color just fall into place. The strands of the hair and the flow of the composition, it's very easy to decide, unlike some pieces that takes me a long time to really work at it, and at the end I just saw a figure in space with nothing much. But one thing I would like to draw attention to is the diagonal composition so far, from the top left to the lower right hand. There's a line going there. I'm planning to have a juxtaposition with a lot of things stuck in the lower left hand corner, and in the meantime the top right hand corner with a vast space. So this is something I have in mind so far.